If you own a 2014 to 2019 Jeep Cherokee, you should know about a critical issue affecting the seatbelt and side shield in the front seats. Many owners have reported that the seatbelt buckle can interfere with the side shield, causing it to not latch properly or even become loose over time. This problem can lead to rattling noises, difficulty buckling up, or even reduced safety in a crash if the components don't work together as designed. This affects Cherokee models built before September 18, 2018. TSB number 2300521 Rev A, NHTSA ID 1021258 was issued to address this exact issue. This isn't a recall, but it's crucial guidance for technicians. If your front seat side shield needs replacing, the seatbelt buckle must be replaced too, or you risk the same problem happening again. If only the buckle needs replacement, the side shield must be modified to prevent interference. When you visit your dealer, reference TSB 2300521 Rev A so they can follow the exact procedure. You might be wondering about the cost. If your Jeep is still under warranty or covered by a service contract, the repair may be done at no charge. For vehicles out of warranty, costs can vary, typically between $150 and $400 for parts and labor, depending on your dealer. Always check with your local Jeep dealer, as some may offer goodwill repairs or partial coverage even if your warranty has expired. Ignoring this guidance could mean your seatbelt and side shield won't function as intended, putting your safety at risk and possibly leading to more costly repairs down the road. Jeep owners frequently discuss seat shield and buckle issues online, which is exactly why this TSB exists. The fix ensures your seat components work together without problems. Have questions about your Cherokee or other car issues? Drop a comment below, hit that like button, and subscribe for more automotive insights. Here's what Jeep Cherokee owners are saying online. My seatbelt kept rattling until the dealer fixed it under warranty. I had to pay out of pocket, but the TSB helped my mechanic get it right. It's frustrating, but at least there's a fix now. These real experiences show you're not alone. Many owners have faced this issue and found solutions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates.